What is up, guys? Welcome back for another video. In this one I'm going to be showing you how I give Cody perfect 2-strand twists. I think this style is so cute, so just keep on watching. We're starting on freshly washed and detangled hair, and all I'm going to do is section out her hair into small sections, and the products that I'm going to use are the Lotta Body Moisturize Me Curl and Style Milk, and I'm layering that with Trader Joe's Vitamin E Oil. And then finally, the Lotta Body Wrap Me Foaming Mousse. So I'm just going to layer all three of these products into her hair, make sure that the section is really well detangled, and then begin 2-strand twisting. I'm just going to continue the same exact process all over her head by layering those products in the same exact way on each section. I ended up using 1 pump of the lotion, a couple drops of the oil, and 1 pump of the foam for each section. Once you get to the top, you do want to kind of decide how you want your twist to lay, and that's how you decide where you're going to put the part. Since I wanted her hair to be a little bit heavier on one side, I decided to give her a side part, but you can do whatever you want to do. You can do a middle part, you can do a slanted part, a zigzag part. Be creative, have fun, do what you like. But I'm just going to continue to twist her hair using the exact same method until I'm completely done. I'm going to go in with my favorite edge control at the moment, and that's the First Touchdown Edge Tamer in Ultimate. And I'm just going to use that to lay her edges. And that is the final look. I feel like this is such a cute and age-appropriate hairstyle, and Cody really loved it too, as you can tell. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you feel like you want to subscribe, click my face on the left. If you want to see one of my other videos, click the link on the right. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!